Sunny outside, even though it's negative 26 degrees. The cold penetrate under your skin even you wear coat. We're gonna feed the cat. I wear winter coat, but still I feel very cold. My goodness, we can't do that. So Sir Katie, or his responsibility is to feed a cat and give water. Inhale the cold. Oh my, hurts my throat. Makes me cough. That's the way it looks out here. It's really nagpuot na ganis kaso maki-walking pa oy. Pati akong tingkoy mukaging. Woo! Negative 26 degrees. What a life. It's sunny but negative 26. Think about that. I wear winter coat and still cold. This kid wants to walk.
Oh, big chunk.
Oh. It's ice. Reminds me of when I was driving before. Because it's been a while I didn't really drive because it's cold. Bantog raw kay wani nga bag sa darat bitaw ang kining ako ang ligid kay na ice di ay inigdagan sa ligid magtingog-tingog abi ni mong naguba na ba. Cannot wait for spring. My planters are waiting for me. It's really cool. Tanang naibangag manguan lagi. Nay mo tulo lagi. Long kay di man kagwantas katugnaw. Tubig man. Puot pa. The next day. Still cold here. Luha ang ako mga mata tungod sa katugnaw. Ang imong ilong murag mo muungot. Wa nay mo tuoy kay tungod sa katugnaw di pa katuo ninggahi na skid in here murag way tugnaw ba. Every day we go outside. Ay nako sa Amerika. Look. The next day. It's cold, so I need to put moisturizer because it's really dry. Da-da-da-da.
A few moments later.
Well, this small kid here want to go walking. Look at that. He doesn't know what is cold. He wanted to go for a walk. It's 10 degrees outside. Okay.
We're not going. Don't
we're outside and have a short walk around our place. This kid is full of energy.
I am going to. So I have to get in a walk. The next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's snowing here in Nebraska right now. It's gonna getting older because we always have snow all the time. Try not to complain. Try to enjoy and stay outside even though it's cold. Okay. Ang linginon dong kay So this is our activity for this morning. We're making a snowman.
Okay, we need one more to trick it.
Okay.
Stick them together.
Oh, inse! Panabang iya! Managingon ni Ore nga I'm too old for this pleasure.
Hug it. Mommy, roll this.
Okay.
Okay. Lisa.
Ah, kapoy na ba ani maghimo tag snowball ning tiguang na ta?
Okay. Mommy, what?
Once you get older
Mommy, we need some.
and past through my age.
Why you get some carrots for the nose?
Yeah, we will. Gihal-hal ko eh. Di amo na mag-roll kag snowball. Huh. Nya tugnaw. Working kaging ako ang mga tudlo.
Eyes.
Nga. Snow pa more.
These snow.
Exercise.
This is the eyes. There.
You think?
Okay, now, Mommy, get the carrot. Please.
Pagka-active agad iniwataan eh. Now, okay, we're gonna get the carrots.
Alright. We need arms.
We nagingan nga I'm too old for this pleasure. Bitaw, thank you for watching us. And if you like our video, don't forget to click the thumb up and consider subscribing for more videos to come.
Okay. Now it's made.
Ouch! Agoy, namuno namaning. You be careful kay lahi imong naigo. Ang wantoy ang imong naigo.
It can't hurt.
It can hurt ka karon. Uri,
Snow fight.
snow fight unya ang wantoy imong giigo. Nya lingin kay ng snow. Careful. Okay, okay. Okay. By the way, thank you guys for watching our videos and hope you have a wonderful day, and let me know if you want a specific topic that you want me to vlog or share to you. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.